Sanibonani Mzansi, Umkhosi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Khaya Mthethwa all wawina ama-idols 2012 washada na former Miss South Africa badivosa futhi. So uma badivosa kuvakale over the Easter weekend Khaya Mthethwa asesontweni. He was preaching then washo ukuthi yo mina nje indzaba yemshado nyalo ever since ngidivorceile seng-attracta nje i-rubbish angisa-attract what I deserve.
So don't worry. Ngihlale ngithi ngami the boat sengisho ngiyaconfess the train yomshado yangishiya. Because I've lost too many great people. Now I'm attracting rubbish. I'm sorry. Athi ngikhuluma ngami ngikhuluma ngawo. So why uphatheka kabi? Angakuphathi kabi. Ngidilile nayo lento le.